It's time for chocolate. If you've been looking into chocolate making from cacao beans or how to make handcrafted organic chocolate, it's time to turn to the experts and see how to go from cacao bean to chocolate bar. Take a Belize chocolate making tour and learn handmade chocolate recipes and how to turn cacao beans into chocolate. With a tour of Copal Tree's on-site chocolate factory, learn to make chocolate with the Mayan cacao beans recipe. And check out chocolate making for kids with tours the whole family will enjoy.